Well, hello there. We hope you are doing well in these crazy times we live in. My name is Martin Forsyth. This is my new channel in which we present the elements of projection. The elements of projection forms the very essence of a new kind of psychology. The elements of projection contain my long-range thoughts on the subject of projection and internal and external forming and formative psychology. Our discourses and presentation addresses the various aspects of the internal and external forming psychology of human perception, cognition, or consciousness. The core idea of our elements is this: the psychological elevation of the notion of projection to principle. Projection is the governor of all perceiving, forming frames of reference or dimensions of consciousness. We kick off our discussions and our discourses in our elements with these two mini-series. The first I call the Wordi Verse, which consists of 9 little videos, probably about 10 minutes long, on what is the internal psychology that's contained within a word. The other mini-series is a 3-part mini-series on Einstein and 3 others on free thought, free thinking, and discovery. I consider myself a lifelong learner of many different psychologies and philosophy. Am very interested in physics, particularly in the theoretical side of physics. Although I'm not a mathematician, I'm very interested to learn what physicists are saying about the world and its operation. I have had many different professions. The top 3 that comes to mind is in the building industry, where I had an opportunity to learn all aspects of building. To my mind, it's a very creative industry. The other profession which I enjoyed very much was a profession that I was a specialist in diagnostics, in childhood problems, particularly in spectrum disorders. However, I would say the profession that I enjoyed most of all is the one that I'm in now, in the electronics engineering industry. I'm a lab technician, and I work with all kinds of engineers, electrical engineers, to create prototypes and do what's required to bring concepts to market. The Elements is really a first publication of my thoughts on projection. Subscribe to my channel. Join our discourses and conversations. Let's create something new and exciting for the future.